today I'm going to show you how to use the chat functions and everything that's in the chat portion. You will see that at the top right hand corner of the Flows meeting. When you toggle over it or hover over it, a circle will come up and you just click on it, and then a drop menu will pop up. And so you can see the names of the people that are in the meeting, and then there's shared notes, public chat, and personal chat. So what you want to do if you want to chat with one-on-one with someone else in the meeting, you click on their name and make sure you click on start a private chat. So if you want to start a private chat, you click on their name and then a box would show up and you would say, hey, hi, test. And that would only go to the person you are having a private chat with. So no one else will see that message except for that person. Now, if you want a public chat, you want to say something to the rest of the team because you're leaving, you would go to private chat and you would click there and send your message. So those are the two ways you can chat with each other. It's either one-on-one and the other one is public with everyone. And then there's shared notes. Shared notes are where you would type in minutes, maybe meeting minutes, and this could be designated to one person, and you can use all the functionalities here of a document creation. When you click the plus sign, there's the option to add numbers or bullet points. You can also undo or restore, and then you can also download this, and these are the options. You can download on PDF and it'll take you to another screen, and you will be prompted to save it or cancel it. And that's a really good feature if you've appointed someone to do meeting notes. So if you want to get out of there, you would just click on shared notes and that would take you out of there. Then you see a gears button. This gears button is only for the person who owns the meeting. So it would be the person who created this meeting and send out the invites. They can manage users. So there's different ways that you can manage your guests or your team on the meeting. You can turn off meeting mute. You can lock viewers, and when you click on lock viewers, this option enables you to restrict viewers from using specific features, and they're all here. Share webcams, see other viewers' webcam. If you don't want them to share their webcam, then you would lock it and they won't be able to. You can also see other viewers' webcam. Lock that they cannot see anybody else if you don't want them to share a microphone. You can lock them. Now this I would believe would be used for mass meetings where it could be you have a webinar and you just don't want everyone to just be able to do whatever they want to and disrupt the meeting. And so once you activate it, you would then apply it. So that's how that works. Let's go back to the gears. And then there's a guest policy. If you want to change the meeting guest policy setting, they can ask moderator, always accept, always deny. So this is the guest policy. And then there's save usernames. If you want to save all the usernames, you just save it here so you know all those who attended the meeting. And you want to clear all user status, you can clear it that way. Now, users can add a status to their, they can set a status by saying they're away. If they're stepping away, they can just set their status, and the away, it will show away. They can raise their hand, and when they raise their hand, the other people will see a hand raise. beside there on their name, and you see that there. And if they're undecided, so they can pick an emoji to denote what's going on in their minds. They can express themselves, and it'll show up on their icon there. And that's how that works. And so there's all different types of icons that they can choose. Now, if you're the presenter and you want to take away clear all the status icons, you can do that. Because, there might be some statuses that have expired. And so you can also pin the user's webcam. Now, you can switch the cameras for each user. You can switch the sides as well. So that's how you would use, if you're the presenter, then this is how you could sort of guide and the meeting. Thank you for your time.